dynamic push-ups. So, hands wide, medium, narrow, medium, back to wide, that's the pattern. Medium, again you can do this on the floor if you don't have blocks. Medium, wide. Medium, back nice and straight. Elbows tucked in, especially on the narrow ones. So you want tricep. Medium. Nice and wide, so big push-up muscles. Chest, shoulder, tricep. Lots of core. Medium. Thumb with grip. Back to medium. Last one, wide. Alright. Then go to a side plank. 30 seconds. Again, do this on the floor if you want. Hips high, keep your arm high. 10 seconds. Get ready to switch. 3, 2, 1. Switch. The key is keeping your hips high, elbow parallel to your fingers. It's working your obliques, each side of the transverse core muscles. Doing well. Last 10 seconds. Okay, do multiple rounds if you're still feeling good. You got time. 2, 1, time.